What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install APK files on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon on the top right corner. And from here click on special access. Now in special access, scroll down and click on install unknown apps option, and from here allow the apps to install unknown apps. So just simply tap on the respective button of the app from where you want to install the APK file. So after turning on these buttons, go back to your home screen and open the app from where you want to install the app, and then tap on download. Now from this pop-up, tap on download again, and then the file will start downloading. And after downloading the app, tap on the app name from here, and from here tap on install, and then after few seconds the APK app will be installed. So that's how you can install APK files on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.